Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here today to share some lovely Happy Mail swap I did with Miss Amy Love in her group, and I will put the link to her group in the description box below. She did a swap for, well, it was a snippet roll we decided on, but it was an altered spool. So it was an altered spool swap, but we ended up doing like a snippet roll and turning it into like a little sewing kit for each other. So that's what we did. And you're probably wondering why these lovely faces are staring at you. And the reason they're staring at you is because I am a huge Beatles fan, and Amy sent me this bag. And anything with the Beatles I just die for. So she sent me this lovely bag. It's one of those bags you use to go grocery shopping, which I will not be using this for grocery shopping. I don't know what I'll store in it, something special. But yeah, my beautiful Beatles here. Look at those lovely faces. I mean, how can you just not love those smiling faces? So anyway, Amy sent me that, and it's double-sided, so very happy. So thank you, Amy. She knows me very, very well. And she spotted this somewhere and grabbed it for me, so I really, really appreciate that. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I will be storing something special in here. Don't know what, but I already told Dougal he can't have it for shopping. So thank you for that. I love it. So that came in my swap package, and I believe this is the spool, so I'm going to save that for last. So there's some little bits and bobs here that I'll get to. So this is the first thing. It came in a little pretty organza bag. I don't know what these are, but they're very pretty. They look like little matchbooks. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. They're little like envelopes. I don't know what's in here. They're so cute. Look at, she's stickled, of course. Everything's stickled. Look at the little birdie. And the teacup's so cute. So what is in here? I don't know what's in here. Oh, I love these. These are the little hearts Amy alters. I love these. They're like a burlap with lace on top of them. Oh, I love those. You know, those are going to go great in my fiber book. So I'm going to leave those out for my Tuesday live. There's another one. I'm going to put those in my fiber art book, because I think they'd be perfect in there to sew around and embroider on. So yes to that. Thank you very much, Miss Amy. And here's another one. Look how pretty. Love, love, love. I love the washi tape too. So I have no idea what's in here. Glitter! Is this that beautiful diamond dust? Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to play with that. Look how sparkly that is. I don't know if my light is too bright or it's super sparkly. I think that's the diamond dust. Oh, thank you, Amy. I love that. Thank you very much. I'm not going to put that back in there. And then there's this one. So cute. Did you make these, Amy? Because they're adorable. And these are some of Amy's favorite bling that she puts on all her projects. Oh my gosh, Amy, thank you for parting with some of those, because I know you love these. Oh my gosh, those are amazing. Thank you. And there's tons in here. Oh, I love those. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Amy. Oh, love those. Yeah, those might go in my fiber art book too. Yay! And she also sent me some beautiful trim, which I kind of gasped. Look at this. It's really pretty. I love it, love it, love it. It's an ivory color, and it's got the pearls on it, and they're the studded ones, so the pearls don't fall off, which I love. And she sent me a ton of it. So thank you, Amy. So I may use some of that in my book as well. Awesome. So let me put that here. And then there's this beautiful little altered bag, which is gorgeous. And there's this little altered metal piece here. I think that's got the diamond dust on it and a little beautiful pearl. This is just gorgeous. And Amy's favorite lace right here. It's beautiful, Amy. So I don't know what's in here. Lace. Ooh, vintage lace. Oh my gosh, tatting. Tatting. Oh my gosh, I love tatting. Look at this, you guys. So pretty. I don't want to do it. It looks so nice, and she's got a little pink jewel in there on a bulb pin. Thank you, Amy. That's gorgeous. And this is another vintage lace, and she's got some bling on a bulb pin here. Oh, you can tell this is very vintage. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Amy. So now to the altered spool snippet roll. So she's got it wrapped in this beautiful doily, and she put this lovely piece of lace on it. So thank you for that, Amy. Who doesn't love lace? And this is wrapped in this beautiful piece of lace fabric. OMG. That's gorgeous, and it's a lot of it. It's still going and still going. Oh my goodness. So let me take this out. Look how pretty. Oh, thank you, Amy. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. Love it. I will use that for sure. And here is the gorgeous altered snippet roll spool that she made for me. And she did do a video on this. So if you go over to her channel, which will also be linked below, you can go over and see. She goes into depth of the things that she used and stuff. And it's a pincushion top, which I also did on mine. I love the little rosebuds and the little trim. So cute. And she's got pink sari here that she tied it with. So let me open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. And this will be coming in handy because it's a little sewing kit and it's double-sided. Oh my gosh, look at all this beautiful work you did. Wow. Look at this. So the end has got some of these scissors that I think I still have some of these in the shop. And then some of the white tulle. I can see a lot of Angeldreamcrafts Kim on Etsy bits on here. The little pink hearts. Those will be back in stock very soon. They sell out so fast. Gorgeous little snippets of all these different laces. This lace I wish I could get again, Amy. She's got a doily on the bottom, and these are those beautiful antique spools. And I actually did hers on this spool because she gifted me a couple of these. So I actually did her spool on this as well. So pretty, and everything on here is hand sewn. She's into the hand sewing. I tried, Amy. I did a lot of hand sewing, but not as much as you did, I don't think. So it's all just beautifully sewn on. I love it. It's so pretty. So that's just that side. So here is the other side. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it says friend here. She's printed those on fabric, and those are from My Porch Prints. Oh, good. I need one of these, so I'll be using that. And I love that she's got two little hearts there to tuck it in. It's so cute. And look at these tiny little spools. Oh my gosh. And bulb pins with buttons. Little beads. And that says dream. More tiny little spools. Oh my gosh, look at this little teacup and saucer. That's adorable. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, and I love this little charm here. That's so pretty. Little sewing machine. Stick pin with some hearts. Some ribbon roses. Some eyelet on either side. And of course, bling. And this says, stitched with love. With love in every thread. Oh, those are nice. I like those. And some needles, which are always handy. Oh, those are little tiny, look at the little tiny hearts. Oh my gosh, they're so petite. Little bow, little pin. Oh, it's so pretty, Amy. I just love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. You got good sewing skills, girl. It's so, so pretty. So please go over and check out Amy's group. She does swaps pretty much every month. She is taking a break this month because she's really busy at work, but I believe they're starting up again. Or she's taking a break for August, I mean. I believe they're starting up again in September, and they've just been awesome swaps in her group. So everything's been really, really fun, and a lot of talented people in that group. So please go over and check that out. And Amy, thank you so much, my bestie. Mwah! Love you, girl. And thank you for all these beautiful goodies. And I will be using some of these on Tuesday when I have my live. So I really appreciate that. So I will see you guys later. Check out the links below.